Born in Augusta, Georgia, Goodwin Liu grew up in a small Florida town on an academic and career track to follow in his parents' footsteps.
When I graduated from college, I was on a path that would make any Asian parent proud. I was going to go to medical school.
But when he won a Rhodes Scholarship to Oxford, he deferred going to medical school.
If it weren't for the lucky break of being able to go overseas for a couple years for graduate study, I wouldn't have had a moment to reflect on what I really wanted to do.
He went to Yale Law School and eventually returned to California to teach at UC Berkeley's renowned Boat School of Law.
I think that teaching constitutional law to Bolt students was one of the greatest gifts that I've ever been given.
Garnering awards for his work, in 2008 he was promoted to Associate Dean, and it seemed once again he was on track to be a stellar educator.
The most meaningful thing to me in terms of accomplishments was the impact that my teaching was able to have in the classroom. And if you had asked me, while I was in academia, are you going to be a judge? I would have said, I have no idea. I never planned to be a judge. Various groups and individuals came to me to say, would you mind if I suggested your name as someone to be a judge? And one thing led to another, and as you know, I was nominated for one judgeship, which was blocked, but then that led to another appointment, which was successful, and so here I find myself at the California Supreme Court.
Tonight, with the 2011 Legal Impact Award, APALC is proud to recognize an outstanding role model, a brilliant scholar, an influential legal mind, and a quintessential American success story.
I think there still is a long way to go. Out of almost 180 Court of Appeal judges in the federal system, there's only one Asian American. So I don't think any of this could have happened without the constant support and advocacy of Asian American lawyers, Asian American judges, all of those who sort of joined together to support my nominations to the bench. So it's a tremendous honor. It's a very humbling honor, but I hope in many ways it's actually just an excuse for others to recognize and pause and reflect on the broader accomplishments of the community.